Everyone's asking the same question. How is AI really going to change our world? It's a massive topic, right? So instead of getting lost in abstractions, let's make it real. We're going to chart the future of AI not as one big scary event, but as three distinct waves. And we'll watch it all unfold through an industry we all know, a television station. All right, this timeline right here, this is our roadmap for the whole journey. We start with what's happening now and in the near future, until about 2030. That's ANI, artificial narrow intelligence. Think of it as the tool. Then things get wild. Around 2030, AGI, or artificial general intelligence, shows up. This is the colleague. And finally, from 2040 onward, we enter a whole new world with ASI, artificial superintelligence. That's not just a change, it's a new reality. Okay, let's dive into wave one, ANI. This is the AI we're all getting to know right now. Its arrival isn't just a simple software update. Nope. It's a fundamental change that's transforming something like a traditional TV broadcaster into a fast-moving, AI-driven digital content company. So what is ANI, really? The easiest way to think about it is as a specialist. It is brilliant, absolutely brilliant at one specific job. Maybe that's generating subtitles in seconds, editing sports highlights, or analyzing viewer data. It's not here to take over your job, it's here to be the most powerful assistant you've ever dreamed of, basically supercharging what you can already do. Now, this is where it gets really interesting. Notice how AI doesn't just eliminate jobs, it reshuffles them. In the production department, all the boring, repetitive editing gets automated. That frees up the human director to focus on unique artistry. In the newsroom, AI can spit out basic breaking news alerts, so journalists can focus on what AI can't do, build trust, and find exclusive sources. You see the pattern? The routine gets automated, and humans get pushed to be more creative and more strategic. So surviving in the AI era isn't about trying to outwork the AI. It's about learning to lead it. You can become an AI orchestrator, basically managing a team of AI assistants to multiply your own output, or you double down on the things that are uniquely human, building real-world relationships, creating trust. Now let's see what happens when this foundation gets rocked by the second wave. Around 2030, the second wave hits, and AGI, artificial general intelligence, completely changes the game. We are no longer talking about a helpful tool. We're talking about a true colleague, an equal partner at the creative table. AI can think, reason, and create just like a person. It can write a script, direct a scene, compose an original score. For our TV station, this is a seismic shift. The station stops being a place that just makes content. It becomes a platform that generates unique, interactive experiences for every single viewer, completely on demand. Just look at the shift in this table. The actual doing of the work is pretty much gone. People in production aren't making the show anymore, they're defining its intent. Journalists aren't just reporting facts, they're making the ethical call on which stories matter. The human job gets a massive promotion, from execution to judgment, responsibility, and setting the moral compass for the AI. So, when intelligence itself is no longer special, what's left for us? Our messy, beautiful humanity. Our value is in being the ethics guardian, the person who takes final responsibility for what the AGI creates. It's in pursuing extreme subjectivity, that weird, passionate, illogical art that a machine could never calculate. It's about managing real, physical events and human relationships. And that brings us to the third wave, starting around 2040. And this is where things go from science fiction to something else entirely. We're talking about artificial superintelligence, or ASI. This is an AI that surpasses the combined intelligence of all humans on Earth. And the very idea of media or a TV station, it just dissolves. So, what's the technology that unlocks this future? Nanorobots. Imagine microscopic, self-replicating robots all controlled by the ASI. They can build and disassemble matter, atom by atom. They are the bridge between the AI's digital brain and our physical worlds. Reality itself becomes the new broadcast medium. The impact is almost impossible to imagine. You don't just watch a drama. Nanobots can project sensations directly into your nervous system, so you feel the character's joy or fear. Your living room can be instantly, physically transformed into a jungle or the deck of a pirate ship. The line between the story and your reality is just gone. We stop being viewers and we become participants. So, when you have an all-knowing AI that controls reality-bending nanobots, what's the point of a TV station? Every single role we talked about, production, news, sales, it all becomes obsolete. From the ASI's perspective, human judgment is just an inefficient bias, a bug in the system. The whole company structure just vanishes. So, if AI can do literally everything, create, manage, even reshape the world around us, what's left for us to do? What is our final, ultimate role in all this? Let's put the three waves side by side to figure it out. This table sums up our whole journey perfectly. With ANI, we are the AI user. With AGI, our role gets elevated to the ethical decider. But in that final ASI wave, our role becomes something far more profound. We become the definer of will and meaning. And this is the key. When every problem can be solved and any experience can be perfectly generated, what's the only thing left that's actually rare and valuable? A unique human point of view. Your subjective will, your irrational passions, your personal taste, the things you love for no good reason, that becomes the most precious resource in the universe. And that's really the ultimate takeaway here. As these three waves of AI automate all the how, the only question left for us, the one that defines our very existence, is the one no machine can ever answer for us. Why? In a world of infinite creation, what meaning will you choose to create?